Raquel Escalante dead. Beloved TV presenter dies aged 28 after tragic cancer battle. But first, please subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new, and press the like button to support us. Welcome. Raquel Escalante dead. Beloved TV presenter dies aged 28 after tragic cancer battle. Presenter and model Raquel Escalante has died at the age of 28. Tributes have started pouring in for the beloved star after it was confirmed that she tragically succumbed to kidney failure following a grueling cervical cancer battle. It was revealed that the former beauty queen died on Friday, November 28th, after making a heartbreaking plea for financial assistance to help pay for the expensive surgery. The 28-year-old was diagnosed with the disease in February 2024 and had been awaiting a kidney transplant at the time of her death. In January, the former Miss Guatemala Intercontinental